Bingo! This aquarium is so neat. We get to see so many different fish and sea creatures. Let's go take a look at what else they have. Come on! Wow! Look at all of these beautiful fish. There's so many different colors and sizes. Look at that blue fish with the yellow fin, Bluey. That fish is called a regal tang, Bingo. They kind of look like Dory from Finding Nemo. You're right. Hi, Dory. Look at all of these fish that are gray with yellow tails behind us. These are yellow-tailed mucilars.
Wow, there's so many different colored corals in this aquarium. It's beautiful.
Look, Bingo, at this beautiful fish. It's a parrotfish. It has vibrant blue and yellow colors, and it spends most of its days eating algae off of the coral to keep it healthy. These fish are incredible. They're all so different. Come on, Bingo. There's more to see in here.
Bluey? I'm a little scared. What are these things?
Wiggle! Giggle! Play!
No need to be scared, Bingo. These won't hurt you. These are spotted garden eels. They aren't dangerous to humans. They are not venomous, and their mouths are too small to even bite us.
Okay, Bluey. That makes me feel better.
Garden eels live on the ocean floor in their sand burrows. If they feel threatened by a predator, they quickly go back into their holes to protect themselves. These eels can live as long as 35 to 40 years old. Wow, that's a long time. Enough of these eels. Let's go see what else there is. Alright, Bingo. We have found the Jellyfish Aquarium.
Wow, they're so big and cool looking. This one's bigger than both of our bodies put together. Yikes!
Well, we do need to stay away from jellyfish because they have a very painful sting. Did you know that even if they washed on shore and aren't in the ocean, they can still sting you?
Oh, ouch! That's scary.
They use their long, stinging tentacles to catch prey like small fish, shrimp, and plankton. It makes it easy for them to catch. Jellyfish have been around for more than 500 million years, which is longer than dinosaurs.
Wow! Come on, Bluey. I see something else over here. Bluey? This thing looks scarier than the last eels. What is this?
This is a ribbon eel, Bingo. Why is his mouth open like that? Is he trying to eat us? No, Bingo. He's not trying to eat us. The ribbon eels keep their mouths open primarily to breathe, not because they're angry or hungry. Their diet consists of shrimp and small fish, and they have a lifespan of up to 20 years in the wild. They like to hide out in the crevices of the coral reefs, and to swim, they move their entire body in a wave-like motion.
You sure do know a lot about all of these creatures, Bluey. Let's go see what's next. What are we looking at, Bluey? I don't see anything.
Well, if you look closely, you'll see two Atlantic line seahorses. They're known for their ability to camouflage, which means blend into their environment.
Wow, I didn't even see it there. They're so little and cute.
We call them seahorses because their heads look like a horse's head. They can also change color from yellow to nearly black to blend in with their surroundings. These seahorses are usually 5 to 6 inches long, but can grow to almost 7. Come on, Bingo, I see something colorful.
What is that, Bluey? It almost looks like a rainbow crab.
Not quite, Bingo. This is called a peacock mantis shrimp. The peacock mantis shrimp is a highly intelligent and very colorful crustacean. They use their clubs to strike prey like crabs and fish.
Wow, they sound like powerful little creatures. This way, Bluey, I see something else. What's hiding in the coral, Bluey?
Well, do you see all of the stripes all over its body? It's a zebra bullhead nose shark.
A shark! Run!
No need to run, Bingo. These sharks do not harm humans. These sharks do not constantly have to swim to breathe, so they can rest on the roof floor. They use their flexible bodies to squirm into narrow crevices. The zebra sharks are nocturnal. That means they hunt at night and rest during the day.
Wow. Over here, Bluey, I see something else.
Look, Bingo, it's a beautiful sailfin tang.
There's so many beautiful fish in here. Look at this guy.
That's the orange spotted filefish. He's our favorite colors, blue and orange.
This has been so much fun learning about all of these fish and seeing all of their beautiful colors. Thanks for coming with me to the aquarium, Bingo. I hope you had fun. This was great! Thanks for teaching me about all of these fish and sea creatures. So neat. Thanks for joining us, friends. See you next time.